Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Device Connection right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, tap on this gear right next to your device and choose Forget next to connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!